Welcome friends in Bhairab CA classes. In this video, we are discuss about current affairs of 11th and 12th August 2020. Number 1. Union Environment Minister has recently launched on national portal about human and elephant conflict named Suraksha. Number 2. National Infrastructure Pipeline Dashboard has been launched by Nirmala Sitharaman. We all know the pandemic situation of COVID-19. In this situation, Russia became the first country of the world who launched COVID-19 vaccine. Number 4. The Boston Group of Company has signed a MOU, that means Memorandum of Understanding, with Andhra Pradesh government to set up an IT company in Visakhapatnam. Number 5. Government of India bans 101 defense item to boost Atmanirbhar Bharat. Number 6. Delhi International Airport has launched a web portal named Air Suvidha for international passengers. Number 7. On 13th August, PM Minister Narendra Modi launched a platform for transparent taxation honoring the honest. Number 8. Chairman of Central Board of Direct Taxes named Pramod Chandra Modi. Number 9. Union Minister of Agriculture and Farmer Narendra Singh Tomar launched Krishi Megh on 13th August. Chhattisgarh government CM name Bhupesh Baghel rolls out Indira Van Mitra Yojana. In this scheme, government planned self-employment opportunities. Number 11. Gujarat CM Vijay Rupani announces Mukhya Mantri Kisan Sahay Yojana on 13th August 2020. Number 12. A memorandum of association signed by Bombay Stock Exchange with Akola on 13th August 2020. Paytm launched India's first pocket Android POS device. Number 14. New executive chairman of Capital India Finance is Harsh Kumar Bhanwala. Number 15. International Youth Day celebrated on 12th August 2020. Number 16. Asian College of Journalism Award 2019 winner are Nitin Sethi and Shiv Sahai Singh. Number 17. Mumbai became the first city in India to have female icon on traffic signal. Number 18. Tamil film songwriter P.K. Muthuswamy passes away on 13th August 2020.